How's everybody doing? My name is Kaz. Welcome back to DarkZeroMotors. Today we're working on Monty again. Let's get it. Today I want to focus on the fuel system just a little bit, install a few things here and there, maybe run a few things a little bit different, but that's what we're doing today. Let's get under the car. Out of the whole kit, this is what I got. The whole kit comes in many pieces. So I got my instructions, got some hardware for the fuel lines, got mounting brackets for the actual fuel pump. I got myself a filter. Here's our inline fuel pump, and this is another filter. The instructions are pretty easy with this one. Should be straightforward. It's just a matter of being able to mount everything together. So getting under the car, this plate right here had my fuel pump and my fuel filter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that plate off, and I'm going to try and mount all the new stuff onto that plate. Hopefully I can reuse it. Hopefully I don't have to get another plate, but I'll see as soon as I get it out. Last one. Alright, so looking at the parts list, I do not have that. Okay, so I got missing parts. Good job, Summit. Good job, Holley. But, ain't no big deal. But what I am missing is this mounting bracket right here with the sleeve and the mounting hardware. I have everything. I have the mounting bracket for the actual fuel pump, which is this right here, and I have everything else, but I just don't have that right there. What I could probably do is reuse these. I made these for the old fuel filter that I had. Maybe, I don't know. 1 inch, we'll see. Got 2 of them. Got 3 of them. So looking at this first diagram, we got the actual throttle body, then we got the fuel tank, we got the first filter, then we got the actual fuel pump, and then the next filter. What I'm going to do, I think I'll just line them up. I'm going to try and line them up on this plate, all in one series. I got a few of my own fittings here. Let's see if I can make something happen too. So directly in the middle, right where the text is, the middle of the pump is where it says 12 volts. Hole here. Got the pump right in the middle now. Fuel's going this way. Arrow. It's right in the middle. Boom. Let's get the fuel filters mounted. I'll be able to reuse one of the old brackets that I had. 2 holes right here. It'll go just like that. Put the fuel filter in here. Now, I'm actually doing this for mock-up purposes for now, and then in a second, what I'll actually do is plumb everything together. Instead of making my own bracket, I'm actually going to reuse this bracket for my old fuel pump, and I'm pretty sure the diameter is just about the same as this right here. Oh, and it fits perfect. Awesome. And we'll have this nice little Holley sticker right on top of that. So with this bracket right here, because it rises up so high with my application, I actually had to rotate my fuel pump to space this out all the way as much as I can in order to line up the inlet and the outlet. I got everything mounted, and honestly, this looks pretty good. Now, take it all apart, plumb it, connect it, throw it under the car. That looks really, really awesome. Got everything connected. Yeah, so I made a little mistake, and that mistake was these right here. So initially what I put is these on the line. It's actually these that have to go. These have to be really, really tight because the whole system runs at 55 or 56 psi. So these had to get replaced. I made a mistake on that one, so boom. But on another hand, everything is all set to go under the car. So let's get to it and put this back on and see if I can plumb it up to the actual fuel cell. Now, if I just carefully bring it all up, and if I line up all the holes together, okay, so I found my next issue. So the line that runs directly from the fuel cell right here is not going to be able to match up with my fuel filter because that has a nipple on it, and this right here is an actual fitting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run a brand new line that goes from here all the way to here and just eliminate this piece. Hopefully there's no fuel in there. I doubt it. I'm going to keep the 90 degree, but I'm going to extend this and I'm going to eliminate this so the end goes directly into that fuel filter. I think that's going to work. Okay, now that I got my fitting, let me get some extra fuel line. If you watch my unboxing video of the whole EFI system, you know that I got extra 20 feet of black nylon braided fuel line just so I can match the rest of my system because the whole system is like that. So the very last thing I have to do is put this giant bolt all the way in there for the support of this whole setup. Last bolt. Everything's plumbed, everything seems nice and tight. Everything's good. Everything's really steady. That pretty much concludes the installation today. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's not a better way to spend a Sunday afternoon working on your car and just enjoying the weather. I think I'm gonna make these episodes really, really small because I only have a certain amount of time to work on the car. But these episodes are gonna be, you know, step by step by step, and then eventually I'm gonna end up starting the car. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see y'all next time. I don't know when, but it'll happen. Bye.